My name is Aaron Cairo. I'm a professional skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I'm going to teach you why you cannot ollie. Alright, so we have taught a lot of people how to skateboard. We've gotten people who have never touched a skateboard, even thought about skateboarding, even had skateboarding in their life ever, when we taught them how to skateboard. We want to teach more people how to skateboard, especially people that have never picked up a skateboard ever before. And one of the things that people run into is they try to learn how to ollie, they cannot. They send us in skate supports and they cannot ollie. Or they've been practicing and they just cannot ollie. Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1 teaches this trick really well. But I've noticed some people that will try it and 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 try it. And I've noticed that they think that they're doing the steps correctly, but they're missing a very key component. We've had people come here and we've been like, great, we're gonna teach you how to skateboard. We're gonna do a series with you teaching you how to skateboard just like we did with Lance. And we go, cool, first you're gonna learn how to ride, second you're gonna learn how to ollie. And they try to ollie over and over and over and over and over and over and over, and their back wheels, the ones that are back here, these wheels right here, just do not get off the ground. They sort of go like this, boop, boop, boop. Well, I'm gonna take it back even a little step before that, because the actual reason why the ollie is you pop your tail, you drag your foot up. At the same time as dragging your foot up, you're jumping up, right? So it goes pop, drag, and then the board sails up into the air. But without that foot dragging up the board, it doesn't go up anywhere. But really, the person oftentimes is not comfortable enough just with this in order to put that drag together. But what I see, like I'll get these skate support videos, and we literally have thousands of skate support videos. So I apologize if you guys have sent in a skate support video and we have not gotten to it. That is something I am trying to solve, trust me. I just do not have the time to do all of the thousands of videos, but I definitely really want to. We will figure out a way to do that for sure. I'm gonna take off my shoe here and I'm gonna show you an example how this here works so you can see it. So what I've noticed is the second practice step is I have you just stand still and you're dragging your foot up like that. And you drag your foot up. This is a concept that is not, how would you say, it's not like a natural thing. When you're walking around, you're going to the mall, you're going to your house, you're going to this grocery store, your feet are flat. Your feet are generally always flat. You don't generally turn your ankle like that and drag it up. Unless maybe you're in karate and you learned how to kick like this, hi-ya, like this, hi-ya, da-da-da-ya. Then you would know, you would sort of have some notion of turning your foot like that. But when I've taught people just brand new, straight off the street, etc., to try to do that step, that is where it all breaks down. There's a couple reasons why that could break down. First of all, they're just not naturally, like I said, it's just such an awkward feeling to their foot. What I notice is that they move their foot like this. They keep their foot flat, yet move it up the board. And notice, the back wheels never come off the ground. Another reason is the earlier step. If you can't get that step, try to go to the earlier step. This is not yet comfortable. If you're not comfortable enough with just standing still on the board and tapping your tail on the ground, then you're gonna have to add this in. No way, you're not gonna be able to do that. If just tapping your tail on the ground makes you feel like you're gonna fall off the board, well, you're not yet comfortable enough on your board. You need to just ride your board around more. Ride it to the store, ride it to the grocery store, ride it around the school, ride it to your house, ride it down the street, everywhere. Just ride your board, get on your board, ride it around. You got this, cruise it. Once you feel really comfortable with that, then you're gonna get really comfortable with turning your ankle and dragging it up the board. If you drag your foot up the board like this, ain't nothing gonna happen. Ain't nothing gonna happen with the board. You ain't gonna learn how to do no ollies. You gotta turn your ankle and slide your foot. This is gonna put a hole in your shoe right there. If you don't start seeing your shoe wear away right there, you're not doing this correctly. So remember, it's like that. And you wanna see chunks flying off of your shoe. You wanna see the rubber on the side of your shoe dragging onto that grip tape, because that right there, it's kind of a fast motion because you're gonna have to pop and then turn your ankle and then drag, and you're gonna have to push it forward so that it actually drags up and goes forward, and the board levels out into the air. Once you pop that board into the air, the feeling is like, it's like this. It's like the greatest day of your life, because you just learned your Ollie, my friend. Once you get it into the air once, you got this. A couple things I want you guys to think with. Skateboarding is hard. It is not easy. There's nothing about it that's easy. It's gonna take a lot of practice, a lot of practice. So don't give up. Get your skateboard, practice, ride around. Like I said, do the easiest thing you can do, ride around, do tricks that you can do, so every day you end your skateboarding and you feel like you've gained something new. You want to end your day feeling like you learned something. If you try to Ollie and you don't get it and you spend an hour or 2 hours and you leave the day feeling like, I'm never going to do this. I may as well just play Tony Hawk Pro Skater and never actually skate. Don't do that. Go back to a different trick that you can learn, or even a part of it. Maybe what you learned for that day was you got more comfortable tapping your tail on the ground. And if you got more comfortable with that, great. End your day with that. Like if you're very first starting to skateboard, you need to end on points where you feel good about it. That way you go home and the next day you want to skateboard again. That's what I find, is that people either invalidate themselves, like they try something and they're like, oh, I can't do this. Or they go to the skate park and somebody else is like, you suck. So also, if you're at the skate park and somebody is just learning how to skateboard and you're telling them that they suck, it's not cool. Don't do that, because you actually want that person to learn how to skateboard. Maybe if you're a really good skateboarder and you want to make a career out of skateboarding, well, guess what? You need other people skateboarding, because if you're going to be a professional skateboarder, other skateboarders are going to support you by buying your skateboard. And that's how the whole skateboard industry works, by having more people skateboard. So you want to support other people skateboarding. You really want to do that. So maybe instead of telling them they suck, maybe you go and you help them learn how to Ollie. Now, I covered a few points in this video of why you cannot Ollie. This may or may not have covered all of the points. So if you're watching this video and you yourself cannot Ollie, I want you to go out, I want you to practice these steps. I want you to come back to this video, watch it again, practice the steps again. Film yourself. If you notice your foot going up like that and not turning and dragging up the board, you know what to fix. If you film yourself and your foot is dragging up the board, but you still cannot get your board to go up into the Ollie, leave it in the comments below. I really want to know what you guys are running into. I want to know what you're having troubles with. The whole point of this company is so we make videos to get more people skateboarding, so you guys yourself learn how to skateboard, you have fun skateboarding, you help others learn how to skateboard, and the world of skateboarding grows bigger. So that's the deal, guys. I hope you got it. I hope you're practicing. I hope you're not giving up. I hope you will never give up in anything that you're doing in life, whether it's skateboarding or relationships or business or anything else or school. Don't give up, just keep going. You got it? Good. Learn how to skateboard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's helping you. Definitely click this little thing that's a bell and it turns on your notifications. That way, every video that we make, you guys will get notified when it's uploaded, and then you can go watch the video. If you're not yet subscribed, definitely do that subscription. And then you want to click right here and watch all of the videos that we have done to teach you guys how to skateboard. There literally are hundreds of them. We also have Skateboarding Made Simple in the shop. That is the full-length tutorial lesson plan that you do, and it really, really works. Check it out. Thanks a lot. Thanks to each and every one of you guys for learning how to skateboard, for pushing yourself in skateboarding, for pushing others. You guys are the best.